Luca's head? Where's Luca's head? Where's your head? Where's your head? Where's your conky? Where's your feet? Where's your head? Where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Where's your nose? Where's your tongue? Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Teeth. Where's your head? Where's your head, Luca? Where's your fingers? Where's your fingers? Where's your fingers? Where's your kanki? Where's your fingers? Where's your hands? Where's your leg? Where's your feet? Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your bombly? Where's your stomach? Where's your bum? Where's your bum? Where? Where's your head? Where's your forehead, Luca? Show me where your kanki is. Where's your kanki? Where's Luca's kanki? Where's your kanki? Where's your neck? Where's your chin? Where's your cheeks? Where's your kanki? Where's your kanki? Where's your ears? That's your ears. Where's your teeth, Luca? Show me your teeth. Where's your teeth? Show me your teeth. Where? Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Show me your teeth. Where's your tongue? Where's your kanki? Where? Show me. Where's the fan? Where's the fan? Where's up? Where's down? Where's the doctor? Where's down? Where's the car? Where's the bus? Where's the book? Where's your book? Where's your book? Where's your car? Where's the TV? Show me where the TV is. Where's your TV? Where's the TV, Luca? Show me the fan. Where's the fan?